Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm just getting over a cold, so excuse me if I sound a little stuffed up. I'm feeling so much better than I was last week. I have my cozy little Sherpa zip up on and I just feel so relaxed and comfy today, which is great because we are 33 weeks pregnant and life is wild. Today I wanted to share my top 3 picks for pregnancy safe nail polishes. Now before we even get into them, polishing your nails during pregnancy is generally considered safe. It is not something that I was concerned about. It was not something that I was trying to avoid or cut out of my life. Dyeing my hair, that was another story. I definitely held off on that until the second trimester. Also certain skin products I tried to avoid, but when it came to my nails, I really wasn't too concerned with the products that I was using. Most of the products I use are very clean. Most products on the market these days are very clean. But these 3 polishes in particular are certainly safe for pregnancy. Clean products are just making a huge push now in all areas of beauty, hair, skin, nails. And I think that the more clean products that we can introduce into our life, the healthier we'll be overall. So when it comes to identifying clean polishes, you definitely want to look for the free polishes. The lowest of the totem pole is 3 free polishes. And those products do not contain formaldehyde, toluene, I never know if I'm saying that right, toluene, and DBP. Those 3 ingredients are considered to be the most toxic, the most problematic, and the ones that you want to avoid. So I would say the majority of products are 3 free, but it goes up from there. There's 5 free, which knocks out formaldehyde resin and camphor, which can cause an allergic reaction for some people. Then from there, we move on to 7 free, which eliminates ethyl tosilamide, I don't know how to say it, ethyl tosilamide, and xylene, which can irritate the eyes or the throat if they're inhaled. And then from there, it just goes higher and higher. There's 8 free, there's 10 free, there's some polishes that get all the way up to 16 free, one of which we'll be featuring today. But that initial 3 free is really important to keep an eye out for. So if you are pregnant or you're looking for cleaner nail polish brands, there are so many options on the market, but I wanted to narrow it down to 3 that I've personally tried, that I continue to use year after year, and that I really enjoy. These are not just clean polishes, they're good polishes. All right, so that was enough chit chat. Without further ado, let's jump into this list. All right, first up, we have the Butter London Patent Shine 10 Times Nail Lacquer. Now, I love the Butter London polishes. I think that they are really underrated. I don't think they get as much love as they should, but this particular line is vegan and cruelty-free. Their polishes are 10 free, and they include bamboo extract in the formula, which helps to keep your nails strong and prolong your manicures for up to 10 days. So I've had really good luck with these polishes. Good selection of colors, excellent formula, really unique bottle design. The only pain point I would say is the price point. They are a little more expensive. You can find them retailing anywhere from $15 to $18, which for some people may be a lot for nail polish, but if you're someone who sticks to the same 1 or 2 colors all the time, this might be a good brand to invest in, just your staple shades to have on hand to use and to love. But overall, a very clean and healthy option. All right, next up, we have the Sally Hansen Good Kind Pure line. Now, this was put on the market a few years ago, and they sent me a great PR package way back when. I did do a whole video review on my channel, which you can go check out if you're interested. I was pleasantly surprised by this line. I was not expecting much. When polishes just have all these fantastic claims, it's really easy to get sucked into the marketing and then realize that the product is kind of junk, but this was not the case with the Good Kind Pure line. These polishes are 16 free. I won't even list all the ingredients they don't include. I don't know what's left. Water. They are also vegan. There are 30 shades in this line, so the odds of you finding a color that you want to wear are pretty high. They also have an excellent bottle and brush. I love the wider brush on these polishes. I'm a huge fan of wide brushes in general, but I remember these specifically and just being a huge fan of them. So if you're looking for a more budget-friendly option, these polishes usually retail between $9 and $11 depending on where you pick them up. So that's an excellent selling point. All right, last but not least, I'm so happy that this is on the list, Olive and June. I am a huge fan of Olive and June polishes, have been for years. Something about them, their polishes, their formulas, their brushes, their marketing, just their overall brand that I love so much. Tons of videos on my channel using Olive and June polishes. Check them out if you're interested, but let's break them down a little bit. These formulas are 7 free, so that's huge. They're also vegan and cruelty free. They have over 100 shades. That's like some OPI level stuff. For such a new brand to have this many colors is almost unheard of. You would think they've been in the game so much longer than they actually have, but there's a reason why they've grown and expanded and been as successful as they have, because their products are quality. Not only are they clean, but they work so well. I've had excellent results with Olive and June manicures. I'm actually wearing one right now. This is CN, one of my go-to fall shades. It's a really deep brown. When you pair their polishes with their glossy top coat, you are going to get fabulous fabulous results. Their top coat is so good. I use it with my other brands of polishes because I just love the shine. I love how well it applies. I love the brush. I apologize for the sun going in and out. It's a partly sunny day, so the lighting keeps changing a little bit. But anyway, excellent line of polishes. If you're looking for something clean, if you're looking for something affordable, if you're looking for something with the most color options out there, Olive & June is for you. Their polishes usually retail around $9. They're now available in Target. They recently launched in Walmart, and of course you can shop online. I do have a coupon code with them. I forget what it is. I'll put it right here if you're interested in shopping and getting a little discount, but I cannot say enough good things about Olive & June. But that is it for this video. I hope that you found it helpful. All three brands of polish are excellent, top quality. It really just depends on what you're looking for, what your preference is, but I would recommend any of these to anyone who is looking for a cleaner option when it comes to their nail polishes. Again, there are many more clean brands out there. These just happen to be three that I've used and loved, so I wanted to feature them here. If there is a line of clean polish that you're a huge fan of, leave it in the comments below so that anyone watching can check those out as well. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you haven't already done so, and I will see you all in my next one. Bye!